Konnichiwa people, at dahil mainit na nga po, today is June 24. Ayan, mukha na akong penguin. Naka-short po ako at itong short na to ay sa anak ko. Mukha na akong penguin. Kasi kailangan na natin mag-short dahil masyado nang mainit ang karsada ng Japan. Ayan, mukha na po akong penguin. And just finished my sports club on my swimming. Thank you so much for the support, loving support sa live streaming ni Dragon Sasuri before I go to my sports club. So thank you so much and see you again mga konnichiwa people. Ayan, hindi nakikita ang aking face. Ayan. Thank you so much. At marami tayong pawis na lumabas. Ayan, dahil na-swimming po ako ng I think 600 meter. Thank you so much. Sobrang init po. Bye-bye.